Hi there everyone! Today I want to share with you a recipe for chocolate Christmas cake made in the microwave. No matter how cliché it may sound, is this a fantastic and straightforward recipe for Christmas or any other holiday. What makes this recipe remarkable is that it's made without eggs. This chocolatey and tender cake surpasses all expectations, and no one will guess it was made in the microwave. First, we'll prepare the dry ingredients. In the mixing bowl, combine 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2/3 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Next, add 1¼ cup of warm milk and 1/3 cup of sunflower oil, or any oil you like. Whisk everything well until the butter is smooth. When baking in the microwave, it's really important to use a microwave-safe dish. You can also use a silicone cake mold. Transfer the butter evenly into the cake mold. Place it in the microwave and cook on high for about 10 minutes. This cook time is based on my 750 watts microwave, so your timing might vary. You'll know the cake is done when it's firm to the touch in the middle and starts to pull away from the side of the pan. You can also check it by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Carefully remove the cake mold from the microwave and let it stand until the cake cools completely. Once the cake has cooled, transfer to a plate. In the microwave ceramic bowl, place 3 ounces of dark chocolate and 3 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream. Melt them in the microwave. Then, spread the mixture evenly over the cake. For the finishing touch, add shredded coconut and Christmas sprinkles, but feel free to use any frosting and decorations you like. Now, our chocolate Christmas cake is ready to enjoy. It's a delicious and tender treat that your family and friends will absolutely adore. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.